In horsemanship, basically what we want to do is, it's not a static position on a horse, it's riding in rhythm with the horse and balance with the horse. We basically want to stay in balance and stay out of the horse's way, so the horse can do what he knows to do best. So ultimately we want to sit in the middle of our horse, or maybe slightly to the outside when we ask him to move, where we ask him to go. We don't want to be leaning into the circles or out, so we're going to stay upright and out away from the horse. And in most cases we're going to set slightly to the outside on our outside hip, because we want to free up the inside legs to reach for turns, for lead departures, for all the different things that we're going to do on the horse. So if we ask a horse to turn around, we're going to set slightly to the outside and to the back and let the horse turn instead of leaning inside. So we're going to keep our body out of his way and keep our leg out of the way so that the horse can do the turning. If we, on the other hand, if we start leaning in, then we weight the inside legs. We make it harder for the horse to turn, harder for the horse to do anything we want him to do. So you see in the classic horsemanship, a rider that sits back, waits on his horse. So if we ask for a lead departure, we don't jump up and go lead. We sit back, squeeze him, and ask him to go. When we ask for a stop, we'll simply pick up, whoop, let's stop horse, relax quietly, just sit where we are, ask him to turn around, sit slightly to the outside and wait. Then we're going to ask for another lead departure and ask the horse to just come up softly and quietly and be pretty relaxed in what he does, hopefully. So our position on the horse is just to stay out of the horse's way and stay out of the horse's rhythm, whoop. And if we do that, then our horse can do a good job of working, stopping, turning around, changing leads, doing all the things that we want to do. Now, one of the things that we want to do to make sure that we're in rhythm with the horse, we're going to override a little bit sometimes. So in this case, I'm going to ask the horse to lope, and I'm going to override with my hip so that I stay really close to the horse. And then I'm going to sit back and just kind of underride a little bit. And then I'm just going to stop riding and the horse will stop. So the horse starts getting geared to your rhythm as you learn to get in rhythm with him. If you're riding well and riding with rhythm, if you're in the right place, your horse will be in the right place and do the right kind of things, hopefully. All right, now in a horsemanship class, we do about 4 things. We walk, trot, lope circles, straight lines, we'll back up, we'll turn around, we take leads. It's as simple as that, and our job as riders is to step back, sit on our back pocket, relax and wait for the horse. If you ask a horse to do something, don't expect immediate response, because it has to come from my head to my hands to his mouth to his brain and then down to his feet. So if I ask him to turn around, it may look instantaneous, but there is a lag time there. All right, if I ask him to lope, I've squeezed him, and then I come up about half a second later and he starts to loping. Whoop. If I ask for a stop, again, I'm going to do that in rhythm with the front legs, and we'll demonstrate that one more time. We're going to bridle her up a little bit, get her nose down, and ask her to lope. So I'm going to move my hand a little bit in rhythm with her, and then when I come around for the stop, I'm just going to close my hands and let her settle into a stop in rhythm with the horse. If you'll do the riding exercises, you'll do your hand exercises, get yourself in balance with the horse, find the rhythm with the horse, all the other things come pretty easily, and your horse will get better and better, and you'll become a better horseman.